ನಾವು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ 2022 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ Informa Market they started this exhibition of FI in 2022 from AFSTA Bangalore. We have and also AFSTA headquarters. We have joined hands with them for the conference, and we have organized 3-day conference last year also. This year also we are organizing a conference on the food ingredients, food additives, mainly as a food as well as for the health. So we are covering topics from various the speakers are there from different industries, and they are speaking on the different aspects of the ingredients for the skin, ingredients for the health, ingredient solutions for the food industry, additives which are required at India for India and also at global level. And we have expert panelists from different companies, both Indian companies and also from the abroad. Those company experts, they will be moderating on the proteins, especially on the plant proteins, smart proteins, and the ingredient solutions in the form of protein ingredients as well as other ingredients, both for food industry as well as for the health sector. This beautiful show which was organized in 2022. So immediately after COVID, they had a fear about the response because they are coming to the new place. We all know Bangalore is a hub for startups. Bangalore has highest number of restaurants here, and it is a hub for food industry also. So we all say Bangalore is a garden city, and this is a huge hub for the food industries, and many leading companies are having their R&D activities, R&D setups in Bangalore. Even Tata's IDC has their R&D setup in Bangalore, and Bangalore, in and around Bangalore, there are so many food companies. They have started their industries. That's why this Bangalore has become a hub for the food industry shows. I would like to thank Informa Marketing. They have done a phenomenal job in organizing this beautiful event. And as I was already told, there are 2 places here. One is ProPack. It is entirely on the packaging solutions. One place is there for food ingredients. So here, last time it was only single hall. Now it is spread across 2 halls. More than 350 exhibitors are there, not only from India but across the globe. And I would like to say here, we as a AFSTA team, both from Bangalore and headquarters, we are very happy to join hands with them in organizing the conference jointly with the Informa Marketing. We wish the conference delegates and the people who are coming to the conference both knowledge sharing as well as for the exhibitors. We wish to grow their business in a very bigger way and continue to join hands in exhibiting in the Informa Marketing exhibitions in future.